Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick inform video. So today do I have a cool video for you guys. Are you tired of paying way crazy amounts of money for some internet? I know I am. I know a lot of people are. Or maybe, how about this? You can't get home internet, conventional home internet where you stay at. I have a lot of customers that stay in the boonies, guys, and Time Warner, Spectrum, whoever it is, won't go out there. Charter, even, the only thing they can get is satellite internet. They're paying, I don't know, $80, $90, $100 for 50 gigs max. Well, there's this cool solution called NetBuddy. I know all of you guys have heard about this. I'm not associated with them just yet. I actually wanted to go ahead and buy this product outright, so I actually paid full price for this, so I can get an honest review. And maybe if I do get sponsored by them or anything like that, then I'll let you guys know. But hi guys, so I just wanted to let you know that yes, NetBuddy finally sponsored me, so you can use my referral link in the description below and my promo code Sanchez45973 at checkout with your 30-day service card and your device, and it will save you $10 off your first month. So use that. You must use the referral link and the promo code so you can get these savings, guys. Thank you. It's not sponsored at all. I actually bought some of my money and got it today. It took me, let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9. It took about 3 days to receive this item, so I did order it on the 6th of June, and today's the 9th. My SIM card came in yesterday, so that took 2 days, and then the hotspot itself took an extra day, so about 3 days. And yeah, guys, it's very cool. You can check out the description below their website, and like I said, if I get affiliated links, I'll let you know in the video and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and see it. Let's do a little short unboxing and see how it came. So yeah, so first of all, the first thing that you will get in here is this big envelope. So you're like, oh my god, this is, priority mail, it must be something big. No guys, once you open it up, you'll get this. Yay, an envelope. So as you can see, it is open, not even sealed, and so smooth. So here we go. You will get your SIM card. So as you can see, you will receive a SIM card, guys. This is the SIM card, and I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but you will receive a SIM card. Just hiding all, the barcodes in case all you crazy people know how to hack me. Yeah, not gonna happen. The second thing that you want to wait for, it doesn't come all together, guys. It comes 2 separate packages, so I guess they ship 2 different things. One thing on the website, it says they will not ship you a hotspot, I think, without getting service first. So, or you could just buy it, I guess the hotspot itself, but I bought the hotspot with the service. You can read on it, but I think it says they won't ship it to you unless you buy the service, or it won't have service until you buy it, something like that. I'll put it here in the video. So once we open this box right here, you'll get this other bag. It's pretty cool. It's all through the USPS, so I like that, the post office. Once you open it, like I said, it's not sealed or anything. I kind of tore it up a little bit. I did purchase the refurbished model. So as you can see, here it is. It's the, it's the Netgear 781S AT&T Black. So this is the refurbished model. This is what it looks like. It's $60. You can buy it brand new for $110. It's almost double the price if you want a brand new one. It does not come with a charger or anything. Here, let me actually put it up. Doesn't come with a charger or anything, guys. So it is the product itself. As you can see, it does take a micro down here, and this is, well, you might be saying, what is this? This is for the antennas. I did order an antenna booster for this, and I'll leave that all in the description below, so you can order one if you want, just to get better service. I haven't tested it out just yet. I haven't even popped the SIM card in just yet. So this is all you get, guys. Like I said, no charger, no nothing, if you get the pre-owned or the refurbished model. So let's go ahead and pop it open. You can pop the back. As you can see, there's the big battery, and you can definitely tell this is used. I don't know if you can tell here in the video, but it is kind of scuffed up a little bit. There's little dings and stuff on here. Like there's a little ding on mine up here. But like I said, what can you expect? It is the refurbished or used model. So there you go. This is where the SIM card will go in the back. So right there, as you can see, it goes right. Where'd it go? Right in here. That's where the SIM card's gonna go. So I do like that when they send the SIM card, it comes in all sizes, standard, micro, and nano. That's pretty cool of them. And supposedly the service is active already. So once I pop it in, it should start working right away. I don't know how much charge this has, but if you don't have a micro charger, a micro USB charger, I recommend you get one, just because you will need this to power this puppy up. Like I said, that is only if you buy the pre-owned model. If you buy the brand new model, of course it will have it. So it said it's already active. Let's go ahead and test it out. So let's go ahead and pop it in here, and we're going to use the micro. So we have to just kind of cut it a little bit. That's pretty cool that it does come in this. So it says just put it in like this, and we should be a-okay. So yeah, let's test it out. It's like this. There we go. So it has a picture of how it's supposed to go. So there you go. Perfect fit. I put it the wrong way, guys, at first. So stupid me. But there we go. Now, like I said, I don't know how much charge this thing has, but let's see how much. It's a 4020 milliamp battery. I'll let this focus. There you go. Let it focus. Come on, camera. Whatever. There you go. 4020 milliamp battery. So let's go ahead and plug it in. I do have a micro charger. I'm just saying most people do have one, but just in case, like I said, let's say you're an all iPhone person and you don't have one, then you might want one. So let's go ahead and do the first power up. Let me go ahead and connect it to the charger. Let's see if it even comes with any charge. So power button is up here. So let me show you first what it is the home button is right here, the back button, and then the power button is up here, of course, right there. So let's go ahead and push it down and see if it comes on. And I think it's dead. So let's go ahead and plug it up. Hopefully they didn't send me a faulty model. So I'm trying to get this internet, yo. Yay, it's coming on. So it's just straight dead, guys. So I heard this one you can actually leave it plugged in without the battery. It should work, and I'll test that out. But the battery is in here. Let's see, it's turning on, guys, as you can see. There you go. It is taking its little time to boot up. So let's see. As you see, I don't know if you can see the little lights flashing on there. There we go. So pretty cool. Let's see what it does. Yay! Oh, it says it's charging, so it's 0%. How about that? So I guess we just have to wait till it powers. I guess until it gets enough charge for it to even work. So I'm gonna pause this video and come back when it's fully charged. Alright, guys. So now that it's back on, didn't take that much longer to come on. Maybe it took them just a minute or two for it to come up charged. So here we go. As you can see, there it is. So it shows you the password. Of course, you can change it. It's called Unite Add 1, but it says tutorial. So let's go through the tutorial and see what it is. So tutorial. As you can see, the AT&T service is already being read on there as well. So I have about 2 bars here in my house, which is weird because every carrier works here in my house. So yeah, I'm getting about 2 bars, 3 bars in here, 2 bars. And of course, the best thing to do with this is put it by window. So we're gonna do that in just a little bit. But let's go ahead and see what it is. So tutorial. Whoa, shoot. So Wi-Fi, so main. So you can even change it. So you can even do, wow. So look at this thing, guys. All right, guys, so here we go. We have the device right here, as you can see it. And here's the settings of it. So as you can see, it is main Wi-Fi. You can change the SSID, dual band Wi-Fi, guest Wi-Fi, devices, how many devices are connected, WPS, and messages. So if we hit the back button and it's all touchscreen, you can do battery boost, Wi-Fi settings. As you can see, I am getting about 2 bars of AT&T service. It's still dead, so this thing must be really dead. So yeah, let's go ahead and test it out with the speeds of the phone and everything. I'm gonna put this, to give this the best shot, I'm gonna put it near the window, guys, because here in my house, like I said, I have only about 2 bars of AT&T 4G LTE. And with this, guys, I'm gonna be testing it out all month. I'm gonna be doing it in my main Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go ahead and really try to get, up towards 200 gigs of 200 or 300. Usually in my house, me and my wife use about 300 gigs on our standard Wi-Fi. Like I said, I have good Wi-Fi in my house, so I want to test this out. Also, gaming tests and everything. So definitely hit that like, subscribe button, and notification bell if you want to know about this. The service is $60 a month, I believe. Yeah, $60 a month for the service, and then this you can get the refurbished model. This AT&T for only $60. Now, if you want the new one, you can get it for $110. So yeah, let's go ahead and test it out. Like I said, I'm gonna try to connect it to my phone, and let's go ahead and try it, guys. So like I said, I'm gonna put it at my window and see how well that speed test. I don't know why. I think it was deleted or moved. So there you go. It is. There you go. AT&T internet. AT&T. So let's go ahead and test it out. Wow. What the? Jeez Louise, look at that. This is not with a booster or anything, guys. What's the ping? 52 megabits or whatever, ms. Wow, 19.4 down. Let's see the upload. Oh, it's struggling. Oh god. Wow. 5, 6. What? Oh, it's creeping. Whoa. This might just be able to replace my home internet. Not really, but wow, look at that. Like I said, this service is perfect, guys, for people that can't get internet. So that's with 2 bars. This is not even with a booster yet, guys. I ordered the booster. It will be here in 2 days. I'm gonna make another video updating it. So as you can see, I'm gonna show you that I am still on the United or Unite whatever ad, and you can change that name, of course, guys. So let's go ahead and do another speed test. Now that we have that, it's by the window, so it should be a little bit stronger. And like I said, there's still no booster on here just yet. So let's go ahead and try it and see what the difference is. So let's see what the ping is. Same thing. It is about 54. What is this? It's struggling. Oh, maybe it's a bad idea to put it by the window. Wow, I was getting better speeds not by the window. That's pretty interesting. So there you go, 6.29 compared to 19. So I think it just varies. Let's see the upload speed. So definitely it varies, guys. Like I said, it probably will be better when I get the booster. So just give me a couple days to go ahead and do that. Wow, so 6 and 6, still not bad. So there it goes to the middle of the room. And let's go ahead and test it out one more time, just for the kicks of it. There we go. Look at that. Wow, what? Yeah, forget the window trick, guys. This is what the... Look at that, 22, man. Forget that window, man. Buck that, man. Look at that, whoa. Like I said, and I mean, this is not even that. I'll try this back at like 1 in the morning. Right now it's about 9, so it is kind of congested in my area. But overall, guys, wow. So I'm gonna see if there's any download speeds that are faster, and then if your internet really slows down after a certain amount of gigs. So people are saying this is a 22 or the $30 as SIM card, where if it's congested it'll slow down. But let me go ahead and try it, guys. I'm gonna try it with the gaming system and everything. So this Dragonic Warfare is signing off. I will test it out with the booster and see how much better it is. So I'm averaging about 20, so 15 about 25. Sometimes about low 60s. So let's go ahead and see that when I get the booster, guys. So thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe.